Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder, stock number 7268. It's ran from the 6th 2013 to 11th 2016. Has a VQ35DE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by 1-speed CVT transmission. This is a VQ35DE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory America tyre. Left hand door mirror has a scuff on the corner. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory America tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory America tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console link. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, exterior mirror, front courtesy light, front sun visor.